Hello guys, so to get a free Germany WhatsApp number, all you have to do is go to this site Quack Arrow. You can type it on Google, click on the first link, then select a country, look for Germany. As you can see, we have 16 active free numbers. So sometimes most of these numbers do not go for WhatsApp. So if you try this and they go, you need to opt in for a premium WhatsApp number. So to do that, I will give you the site. So this website is very powerful. You can get any country WhatsApp number. So let's search for Germany. But this one is not free, it's paid. As you can see, $5.23. So I tried to pay, but I don't have enough balance. So let me top it. Let me top my balance. I have $3.86. So to top your balance, you can use a crypto, you can use a Apple Pay, Google Pay, or your bank card. So let me use crypto. So I prefer using crypto because of I don't know. I just prefer using crypto. So let's fund $7 now. So it will direct me where I will make a crypto deposit. So let me scan the QR code and make the $7. Okay, payment was successful. As you can see, the amount will be added to my balance. So let's go and purchase the Germany WhatsApp now. So voila, this is our Germany WhatsApp number. So copy it and input it on your phone and send the code. So as you can see, this WhatsApp is not active yet. So let's check it. You can see it's not active yet. So let me send code to the number to get our code. Okay, this is our code 992621. So copy the code and input it on your WhatsApp. Okay, so this site also have varieties of countries. You have Portugal, Denmark, USA, UK, any country can get number here. So let's see. So our number now is now active. As you can see, our Germany number is now active. So let me send a message to the number. Hello. Okay. So this is how you get a Germany WhatsApp number, even though you are not in Germany or you are in any other country. So thanks for watching. Know this for educational purpose only. So like, share and subscribe, and you can watch other videos soon. Thank you. Bye.